Generac 7019 OneWash 3100 psi, 2.4 GPM, gas-powered pressure washer and PowerDial gun. It has an ergonomic spray gun with integrated PowerDial which allows you to easily adjust the pressure needed between 4 different tasks: car, wood, concrete and soap, at your fingertips. It has a powerful horizontal axial cam pump which delivers 3100 psi for tough cleaning. Its convenient onboard 1/2 gallon detergent tank for hassle-free cleaning. Generac 196cc OHV engine delivers maximum cleaning performance with 25-foot high-pressure hose which is connected to the rear of the spray gun for maximum convenience. Generac residential power washers give you cleaning power, reliability and above all ease of use in an affordable, compact unit you can use to clean everything from patio furniture to driveways and decks. The user-friendly design makes it easy to assemble, connect hoses, move almost effortlessly regardless of terrain, and clean longer and more comfortably. You can take your pressure washer anywhere around your home, regardless of the terrain. Because of the oversized never-flat tires, you can easily make hose connections without having to kneel on the ground. Check the link below for best price on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel for more reviews.